But first, you're probably not shadow banned. Hello, my name is Meg. You might have heard the term shadow ban, and so many people use it all the time, but it's probably not what you think it is, so let me break it down for you. So, what exactly is a shadow ban? Shadow ban is when your content reach is limited purposely. Basically, your content won't be shown to anyone, not even your followers, and definitely not to new people. You won't rank in hashtags or be shown on the explore page. It tends to happen overnight after you break a community guideline, and you see an 80% to 90% decrease in reach for roughly 1 to 2 weeks. So if you have experienced a huge and sudden drop in reach and engagement, you might think that you're shadow banned. I hate to break it out to you, but you're probably not. First, let's not forget that we had the holidays and engagement was bad for a lot of people because there were so many ads and people were sick of seeing it, which led to less time on the app and less engagement. People were also probably busy shopping or spending time with people they love and care and didn't have time to be on Instagram. The other reason, the harsh truth, is that your content just isn't good enough for people to engage on. You post something, but people don't respond to it. So the next time you post, Instagram shows it to less people. And then if that post doesn't get a good response, Instagram again shows your next post to less people and the cycle continues. This is probably the most popular reason that you're reaching less people and not getting engagement. Your post just doesn't hold value. It's not shadow ban. However, shadow ban does really exist. Instagram has always denied that shadow ban doesn't exist, and technically it's not a shadow ban. Shadow ban is a term used on Twitter, so to be precise, Instagram doesn't shadow ban anyone, they just limit your reach. Which, yes, is the same thing, just in different wording. If you go to their help center, they actually state this. While some posts on Instagram may not go against our community guidelines, they might not be appropriate for our global community and will limit those types of posts from being recommended on explore and hashtag pages. So Instagram can limit your reach and will if needed. Now, how do you know if you're actually shadow banned? Check your insights and make sure you are reaching people, especially new people. You can do this by clicking Insights, then Accounts Reached, and scrolling down to followers and non-followers. If you're not reaching anyone new, you might be shadow banned. Next, use hashtags in your captions, and as soon as you post, tap the hashtags, go to recent, and make sure you show up. If you have another account, an account that doesn't follow the account you want to test, check it from there too. If you're not on there, it could be bad news. So why do they shadow ban you? There are so many reasons, but the first and main reason is you're breaking community guidelines. Recently, Instagram released an account status. Go to settings, account, and then account status, and you will know if you've done something to break Instagram's community guidelines. Breaking community guidelines include posting content that belong to other people, nudity, buying or manipulating followers and engagement, not following the law, and spreading misinformation. The other reasons are posting too much. When you post 5 times on your feed, one after the other in a short time frame, it could be classified as spam and Instagram will restrict you. I know so many people who post, who don't get enough likes in the first 10 minutes, who delete it and post it again and keep doing that. Basically, they are limiting their own reach. You need to give your content time to get the traction. Using banned, restricted, or flagged hashtags and using the same hashtags over and over again can be a reason too. Over-engaging is a popular reason as well. Too much engagement in a short amount of time can make Instagram think that you're a bot. Don't mass like and don't mass comment. First, you will be action blocked and then shadow banned. So what should you do if you think you're shadow banned? Read community guidelines. Just read it. It's long, but read it. Check all of the content you have posted and see what you could have done wrong. Most people who are actually shadow banned have broken at least one community guideline, so identify which one. Did you buy followers? Are you in an engagement group? Done any loop giveaways? Anything ring a bell? Next, stop all activities for the next 14 days. Normally, if it's your first time to get shadow banned, you are in Instagram jail and you will be limited for 14 days. Don't post, don't engage, and just take a break. Batch content and make it quality and engaging content so when you come back, you're ready to go. Google banned, restricted, and flagged hashtags on Instagram and don't use them. Manually type a hashtag into the search bar and see if it appears. If it says no results found, then that hashtag is most likely banned, so don't use it in the future. Now, let's say that you haven't broken any community guidelines. You're not using banned hashtags, but your impressions and reach have dropped significantly, and you're not ranking in hashtags or getting on the explore page. Don't jump to conclusions that you're shadow banned. First, ask yourself these questions. Have you posted consistently? Have you engaged with people? If you haven't, that's the reason. Let's say you have posted consistently and have engaged. Well, have you posted quality and valuable content? If you haven't, it's probably just that. Your content isn't worth people's time. Instagram doesn't tell you exactly what you did wrong, so it is frustrating, but 99% of the time, it's not a shadow ban, so go and create valuable content and engage with people consistently. Go back to the basics and post what your audience wants, not just what you want to post. Actually comment something thoughtful on your followers' posts. Rebuild the relationship because, again, most people who think are shadow banned aren't actually shadow banned. People just aren't interested in what you post because it's too random. Your caption is just a bunch of emojis and you have no call to action. Your hashtags are probably irrelevant to your post too. It may be shocking, but it's just the reality. There's no magic trick. You just have to push through and keep creating and posting valuable content consistently. It will take time to get back to where you were. I've been there. I was shadow banned on one of my accounts because I actually broke community guidelines, and it took a while to get back on track, but I did. I just posted content that my audience wanted consistently. I also thought I was shadow banned on my current account when in reality my content didn't help anyone, so I focused on creating worthy content and my reach and engagement is fine now. Every single post gets on the explore page, it ranks in hashtags, and I get new followers every single day. I keep getting likes, comments, shares, and saves. There's definitely ups and downs, but people find my content useful and I enjoy making them. That's what you should focus on. Stop moaning that you're shadow banned because A, you're probably not, and B, even if you are, it's your fault. You should think carefully at what you've done and what you can do moving forward. And let's grow together in 2022. I hope this video helped, and I do have a video where I show you how to get on the explore page, so why not check it out while you're here. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy growing. Bye.